In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify and protect yourself from the various day trading scams that are unfortunately common in the trading world. Understanding these scams requires a keen eye for certain warning signs and a solid method for verifying the legitimacy of trading opportunities and platforms. We'll discuss several types of scams and offer practical advice on how to safeguard your investments. Let's begin by examining one of the most prevalent scams, the pump and dump. This technique often involves artificially inflating the price of a stock before selling it off at a high profit, leaving unsuspecting investors with significant losses. A red flag to watch out for here is an unusual spike in trading volume, which can be a sign that someone is manipulating the market. By performing a volume analysis and reviewing historical trading patterns, you can better assess whether such activity is happening. Staying informed can help you recognize these anomalies and avoid falling victim. Next up, we have false signals. These often come masked as promises of unrealistic returns and are usually pushed by those claiming to have insider knowledge or special strategies. To safeguard yourself against false signals, always verify the source of any claims and promises. Check their track record meticulously. If something seems too good to be true, it likely is. Make sure you investigate the background of the entity making these claims to ensure they have a verifiable history of success. Broker fraud is another critical area to be vigilant about. Common issues here include difficulties with withdrawing funds, a clear indication of potential fraud. To navigate this, conduct a regulation check and ensure the broker is licensed and operating legally. A legitimate broker will always be registered with the necessary financial authorities, and knowing this is instrumental in protecting your investments. A day trading scam often has some common elements, such as promises of guaranteed returns and high-pressure tactics for immediate investment. Also, beware of unverifiable track records, intricate fee structures, and limited or complex withdrawal options. If you encounter these, proceed with extreme caution and gather as much information as you can before making any decisions. Red flags such as using unregulated platforms can put your funds at significant risk. In such cases, always perform a thorough regulation check. If the platform is unregulated, it's best to avoid it entirely. Hidden fees are another concern, as they can drastically reduce your profits. Verify all fees involved and review any documentation thoroughly before proceeding. Lastly, be wary of false reviews that provide misleading information. To ensure the authenticity of reviews, conduct independent research and cross-check from trusted and reliable sources. By being aware of these scams and following these protective measures, you can create a safer trading environment for yourself. Continue to educate yourself and stay vigilant, as being informed is your best defense against scams in the financial world. Thank you for watching and stay safe in your trading ventures.